So when your Volvo starts burning oil so bad that it starts to leave soot on the back of the vehicle, this is what's involved, just to repair it. Subframe has to be removed. Engine and transmission come out the bottom. Transmission's here on the floor. Subframe next to it. The catalytic converter. The angle gear. All the tires. The cowl. The engine wiring harness. CV axles. Charge pipes. All kinds of plastic. Mount. Starter. And then the engine has to be torn down. Cam cover, camshafts, cylinder head, engine block, pistons removed. It's the oil pump. Some more stuff that has to be removed, the turbocharger, all the coolant lines, accessories, PCV, alternator intake, the rear end accessory drive, timing chain and housings, oil cooler and oil filter housing, down to these Obama piston rings. The oil rings were designed to be low friction, designed to improve fuel economy, but that means they don't work, at least not forever. So all this for a set of pistons, just to prevent that soot and smoke cloud when getting on the highway.